Yeah, they seem to be doing pretty good for chickens that didn't need an incubator. She hatched them all by herself. Some new additions to the homestead. All that being said, I need to get back over here again, folks. Dang contraption. And that's that old banana log. And that's a Amazon sawmill on a Walmart chainsaw. I'm gonna see if I can't mill this banana log into a sill log using this ladder and a string line. You put your string line across there and then level this to that side. And then I got lag bolts, and you can tighten those up and level this level with each end and up to your string line, and then hopefully get a straight cut. Trying to make it 7.5 inches. All that being said, I just thought I'd show y'all what I'm doing. I'll let y'all know how it works out with all this contraption engineering and such. Dang! Now that's a contraption there. You gotta finagle the hell out of that just to get it to work on there. Dang, kin folks. I guess the ladder worked pretty good. Look at this here woods rooster done wandered up here. He seems like he's pretty friendly, but you let him in there, he's gonna attack Eustace and take all them hens. Cockle-doodle doots! Where you come from, dude? I don't know, but you ain't trying to attack me, are you? Eustace, what you think about all... Look at this here, kin folks. This old finaggery going here, boy. Kept wanting to fall off the trailer when you got to the end, so I had to strap it up. And the saw kept wanting to hit the runners on the trailer. Oh, what fun. That's fun by yourself. Don't nobody tell you about that. Anyways, got 2 flat spots on it anyway. Right here, one kept wanting to stop. I don't know if you can see it. Like it just skips right over that and won't cut it for some reason. Probably because I ain't got a ripping chain. Oh well, all that being said, we got our center beam and something our floor joists can break on. And it'll keep the cabin from spreading out. I'll have to make a fire and underneath it and burn this one up. That way it'll never rot, no bugs or none of that'll get into it. That is a contraption there, boy. I guess it works pretty good. Ladder worked pretty good. I had to jack it up real high in the middle to get that banana part out of there. Look at that thing. And I figured if it's bowed up like that, it should never bow down. I probably won't even have to have a center block in the middle. It'll naturally always want to bow up. Hopefully not too much. Well, all that being said, Stuss LT out. don't know what the gray one is. Might be a female cardinal too. But I ain't never seen a female with a, like a crossbreed. Looks like a damn parrot, don't it? Look at this here, kin folks. Rooster on top of an air conditioner unit. I guess that's where he decided to sleep tonight. Wandered up out of the woods. Gotta be somebody's rooster. Too friendly just to be a wild chicken. You escaped from a chicken house, son? That's a big old leghorn. You make a good pot of dumplings, boy. Better not hang around here too long. All that being said, see y'all on the next one, kin folks. LTL.